guys, this is Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how to paint this Valentine's paint kit. I'm going to go in first with the gray that's provided in the largest paintbrush in the packet, which is the number 12, and I'm just going to base coat my truck and also the rims on my tires and the front and back bumper. Next, I'll be going in with that same brush and the hot pink. I'm going to paint 2 of my hearts, and then I'll also go in and finish the last heart with this red. And really, for the majority of this truck, you can kind of use whatever brush you feel comfortable with. Really, for the most part, I use the number 12. And then when I went in and did this blue on the window, I did go in with a smaller brush there. Now that everything is completely dry, I have gone in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker, and I'm just outlining everything. This is a super easy step. This marker makes this so enjoyable. It definitely really helps out. If you're watching this video and you don't want to purchase the paint kit, but you want to purchase this marker and something else, we do have both on our website, so you guys can check that out. Now I'm just going to go in with the number 4 round and the white that's provided and highlight everything. And then after that, I'll be done. So this is really easy, and I hope you guys enjoy it and have a wonderful day.